Changing your security settings on Upwork is essential for protecting your account and personal information. Follow these steps to update your security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Open your web browser and go to the Upwork website. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to view your current security settings. Step 4. Update your password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication to FA. Follow the prompts to set it up, which may involve linking your phone number or using an authentication app for added security. After completing these steps, your Upwork account will have enhanced security settings. Regularly review these settings to ensure your account remains secure.